Hi 104, week 7, pages 61 through 65. There's not much new information here. This is just continuing to grow on our 5-finger patterns of tonic, whole, whole, half, whole. So the pieces in here are going to be using our new rhythm of eighth notes, our old rhythms of quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes, taking us through lots of different meters and trying to get us playing in more hand positions of tonic, whole, whole, half, whole. So here I've made a list of the pieces that are in pages 61 to 65 along with their tonics so that you can stop the video and write these in for yourself. As you work through these pieces, pay particular attention to register. Think about how far from middle C it is. So when you get to, for instance, on page 63 and you're looking at Melody by Mozart, which I've told you that the tonic is G. Think about if it's the G up by middle C or if it's G down on that bottom space. So as you work through all of these pieces, I would suggest taking the following steps. First, I would tap the rhythm on my knees with the correct hand. Then I would practice reading the letter names, especially if you're still catching up with a weaker clef. Then I would read it and perhaps finger at the same time, looking at those intervals and feeling what those intervals are going to feel like. Then look at what your tonic is for that piece and set up your hand position. Remember that with your hand position in your right hand, tonic is your thumb, whole, whole, half, whole. With your left hand, tonic is finger 5, whole, whole, half, whole. On Melody by Mozart, you also have a new time signature. It looks like a C. We'll talk about that in class. It's an abbreviation for 4/4. So not a new time signature at all, just a new abbreviation for it. 4 beats in a measure. Quarter note gets 1 beat. You also have a quarter rest in this piece. So notice that when you're playing your right hand rhythm, we have quarter, 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 and then a rest. So during your class time together, we'll be talking about rests and how silence can be just as important as the melody note or the music that's coming about. So for your weekly grade for week 7, it is your choice. I have them starred on here. Your choice of 3 Fishermen, the Melody by Mozart, or an old round. These are in 3 different tonics. Make sure that you have your tonic figured out. Make sure that you check your register. So I'm looking for correct notes, correct rhythm, again trying to perfect that 8th note being twice as fast as your quarters. Add in dynamics and articulations. We've got some fun staccatos in these pieces. See how much detail that you can get in. Look forward to working on these pieces with you when I see you in class.